Internal sterilize is function that automatically sterilizes 99.99% of floating and adherent bacteria in the internal pipe with hot water once a week for clean hygiene management of where water flows through. For additional sterilization, press the Internal Sterilize button to manually sterilize. Press and hold the Internal Sterilize button for 3 seconds or more. Internal pipe sterilization takes about 15 to 30 minutes. The device automatically sterilizes once a week for about 15 minutes and for about 30 minutes in the 4th week. Additionally, manual sterilization takes around 30 minutes. When internal pipe sterilization is complete for automatic sterilization, the next time you press the dispense button, you will hear, "The scheduled internal pipe sterilization has been completed." For manual sterilization, voice guidance stating, "Internal pipe sterilization has been completed," will be provided. If the Internal Sterilize button is pressed for 3 seconds or more while the internal pipes are being sterilized, voice guidance stating, "Internal pipe sterilization has been canceled. Please wait while the internal pipe cleaning proceeds for about 5 minutes," will be provided, and the internal pipe cleaning will clean for 5 minutes. You can change the time of sterilization through the ThinkQ app. Outlet Sterilize is a function that, with hot water, sterilizes 99.99% of floating and adherent bacteria around the water outlet. To keep the water outlet area clean, activate the Outlet Sterilize function at least once every 3 months. Press the Outlet Sterilize button for 3 seconds or more. Water outlet sterilization will commence for 10 minutes. Hot water will be dispensed, so please place container of at least 300 milliliters and press the water dispense button. Voice guidance such as these will be provided. When the voice guidance finishes, place a container of at least 300 milliliters under the water outlet. When the dispense button is pressed, hot water will be dispensed from water outlet after 7 to 8 minutes. Please take caution. If you would like to cancel, press the Outlet Sterilize button for 3 seconds. This voice guidance will be provided and the water outlet sterilization will begin. When water outlet sterilization is complete, voice guidance stating, "Water outlet sterilization is complete. Please discard the dispensed water," will be provided. Discard the hot water that has been dispensed. If you press the Outlet Sterilize button for at least 3 seconds during water outlet sterilization, you will hear, "Water outlet sterilization is canceled. Please wait for about 5 minutes while the internal pipe cleaning." An internal pipe cleaning will proceed for about 5 minutes. UV Nano Self-Care is a function that sterilizes the inside of the water outlet. Please press the Self-Care button. For self-service user, filters are automatically delivered according to the filter replacement cycle. For the filter replacement cycle, please change the pre-carbon block plus once every 6 months and the ultrafiltration once every 12 months. If the filters aren't replaced regularly, the water quality of the water purifier may deteriorate. So even if some filter capacity remains, please replace the filters according to the replacement schedule. By sending a notification message before delivery, we will inform you of the expected filter replacement date, how to change the delivery address, etc. Here's how to replace the auto-shipped filter. Prepare the filter and service inspection kit that you received. Pull the drip tray with both hands to separate it from the product. Hold the water tap with your hand and turn it all the way to the right or left. With one hand holding the product, hold the lower part of the filter cover and pull it forward. Once you remove the filter cover is open. When replacing the filter, turn the filter all the way to install it correctly and then close the cover. Voice guidance will be provided. Take the dry cleaning cloth from the service kit and lay it where the drip tray would be. Then remove each filter by holding them with both hands and turning them counterclockwise. Take the cleaning brush from the service kit and clean the filter inserts. Remove the cap from the new filter. Hold the filter so the label is to the left. Then insert the filter and turn it clockwise to assemble it. Press the filters with both hands. Use the dry cleaning cloth under the water purifier and wipe off any remaining water around the device. Put the filter cover back onto the product. When the cover is properly installed, voice guidance will provide. The filter will be cleaned for approximately 7 minutes. No other functions can be used during cleaning. To cancel, please press the water dispense button for 3 seconds. Attach the drip tray to the filter cover groove and return the water tap to its original position. Once filter cleaning is complete, voice guidance will provide. Filter cleaning is complete. After cleaning the filter, press the cold button for 3 seconds, and voice guidance will provide. Filter usage has been reset, and the filter usage will be reset on the device.